So, John, we'll start with you. For those who don't know, tell us about Pure Hydration and your signature product, Ice Bottle. I hear you're set on ending single use plastics.
Well, we are, but it started a long time ago, really. In 1993, which seems like an awful long time ago now, we started a company called Thirst Point. And that company really set about to remove those large plastic bottles you remember seeing in offices on top of coolers back in that time. That's what we set about doing. And in doing that, we were obviously removing those large bottles. We were, they were 19 liters or 4 gallons in American Canadian terms. We were stopping trucks, delivering tons of water to buildings all over London and cities in the UK. We were stopping accidents in offices where people were lifting up those bottles and trying to put them onto coolers. We were saving millions of square meters of office space in buildings all over the UK, which really was a new thing back in those days. It sounds silly now to say it, but back in 1993, nobody was doing that. Nobody was using technology to solve those kind of problems. And it was largely plastic saving right the way back there as well, until we sold that business successfully in 2008 to a big UK PLC company. But as part of that journey, we had already started to design and think about manufacturing products, handheld products that would purify water or improve water, which again was a very new thing back in those days. It seems a bit silly now because there are a number of products on the market, but back in those days there weren't really any. We actually designed and manufactured products for the outdoor world, military, disaster aid. In fact, our first aid products have been involved in the last 10 major world disasters, including Puerto Rico, where we shipped out thousands and thousands of products down there. So, during that early development, I was told by the professors that worked in our company that we would never get to the point where we could purify water to a standard that was safe to drink by removing bacteria and viruses sufficiently to have a product that was safe. So well after 2 years of long nights and early mornings, we actually got there. And fast forward to today, we are now using that military grade technology in our ice cap, which fits on top of our ice bottle. So we have two products there, really: the ice bottle, which is the excellent carrier, and the ice cap that does water purification.